Running a campaign and need to nail that first impression, your landing page is where the magic happens. And if you are using Hubspot, you are in luck. It's packed with tools to help you build pages that don't just look great, they actually convert. Let's break it down step by step. First, log into Hubspot and navigate to landing pages. From your dashboard, go to marketing, website, landing pages, click create, select landing page, and you are off to the races. Now, choose a template. Hubspot offers a ton of templates tailored to different goals: lead captures, event signups, downloads, and more. Want full creative control? Use the drag and drop editor to customize everything to build from scratch. Now, add focused, benefit-driven content. Make every element count. A bold, clear headline, a persuasive subhead, concise, benefit-focused copy, a strong CTA that grabs attention. Keep things laser-focused, one goal, one call to action. Don't overload the page. Clarity converts, offering something like a guide, demo, or webinar. Spell out what users get and why it's valuable. Create a high converting form. Forms are where conversion happens. Make them simple. Ask for the essentials: name, email, maybe one extra qualifier. Use progressive profiling so returning visitors aren't filling out the same fields twice. Preview and optimize for mobile. Click the mobile view preview to see how your landing page looks on phones and tablet. Adjust fonts, buttons, and spacing to make the mobile experience clean and scroll friendly. Configure page settings. Before you go live, fine-tune your settings, add a compelling page title and meta description. Assign the page to a campaign for tracking. Set a thank you page or inline confirmation messages. These small steps make a big impact on SEO and analytics. Link to your CRM and workflows. Here's where Hubspot really shines. Once someone submits your form, you can add them to a list, trigger a follow-up email, notify your sales team, enroll them in a nurturing workflows. It's seamless and totally automated. Then publish and promote. Hit publish and you are live. Grab your unique URL and plug into your ads, email campaigns, social media, whatever your traffic is coming from. And there you have it. A high converting CRM powered landing pages built right inside Hubspot is clean, mobile ready, and backed by automation and data.